Hello everyone, welcome to Scrappittarius on YouTube. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm sharing with you this snail mail packet that I made for my friend Julia, my pen pal. She's in Germany, and this is my response to her letter. She wrote her first letter to me recently, and absolutely mind blowing. I loved her mail that she sent me. She made me a junk journal in the vintage theme. With my letter, though, I am using a completely different theme. Also, because Julia did mention that she'd like to experiment with different themes in our pen pal journey, and I couldn't agree more. So, as you see, lots of colors. I made her a set of vinyl stickers, and they are typically camping, different countries, travel related stickers. Then in that pocket is my letter to her. And then here in this envelope, I have made her a few die cuts. Typically, I have Velcro closures on my envelopes. With this one, I made an exception because I want her to be able to reuse the envelope. So I didn't permanently didn't permanently glue it down. Okay, sorry. I'm new to voiceovers. All right, a bunch of paper stuff, and then a postcard. That's an inland postcard meant to be used only within India. It cannot be sent internationally, but I had a spare and I thought, let me write a note in it so that she could just see how the inland postcard in India looks. It comes with postage already paid on it. You don't need to attach anything. And then the next page of the flip book, I have this insert. You can pull it out, and it has doilies. I made her a few tags, and then there's a large hot air balloon tag. I don't think I take that out, or do I? Let me see. Yeah, like I was saying, voiceovers, I'm kind of new to them. I did leave the background audio in because I felt it would just sound more natural. I'm sorry I don't show the hot air balloon, but it's just a large tag. And in this pocket, I love vellum, by the way. And in this pocket, I have some memo sheets for her, then some project life elements. This frame here, these are VR memory keeper stuff, and the two vintage maps that you see, those are washi strips. This washi is really good quality. I love it. It's from a store called R Atelier or Retelier on Instagram. It's so sad that currently she's not able to ship to India due to COVID and certain other political. There's a political situation. I hope it's resolved very soon and things are back to normal. But currently, shipping routes between China and India are affected to some extent. Anyway, back to the flip book. So this insert sits back here. You can see I'm taking my time with it. I'm also worried because I've been opening and closing it so many times. I'm worried I'll tear something. I made her two washi tape samples because very recently my friend Terry sent me a huge box of supplies, and she sent me a whole set of Hobby Lobby washi tape in the travel theme. That was a happy accident, and so I made swatches of all those washies for Julia, and then some more project life stuff here. There's a frame, and then there's a project life card, and the tiny square inchy or twinchy, that's also a project life card. And I'm gonna struggle a little bit putting it back there. So I'm gonna come back to it, and that's the back of the flip book. Another tiny vellum pocket, and with the same with a sticker from that same vinyl sticker sheet. And the papers used here, this is a K&M Company stack that I had. I think it's called Summer Travel. Very colorful, candy colors almost. Not really in my comfort zone, but somehow these papers, I've like I've used them for a while now. Really love them. I think I'm almost at the end of the stack. I have some chai premixes. This is chai latte premixes. I'm going to show you the boxes they came in because part of the reason I bought these sachets were the boxes. They're so beautiful. They're kitsch and just the kind of stuff I love. And I think I fell for the packaging a little bit. Frankly, I was not as happy with the premixes. They kind of disappointed me a little. Why am I still going ahead and sharing it with my pen pals? They aren't bad. I'm having them. And pretty much the only option I have on hand right now, but I'm getting different types of chai now. And okay, I was showing you these postcards, but I do come back to them, so I'll talk about them then. Right now, I'm showing you the collage of pictures that I'm sending to Julia with some of my travel stories. So I fold it into a gatefold like this. I add post-it notes around, labeling all the pictures, where we were, what we were doing, what kind of a day it was, and yeah, that's the travel story I'm sharing with her. And this is a bit of a squeeze, as you will see, but don't worry about the envelope tearing. I make sure to seal it all very well with clear tape. Okay, coming back to the postcards, I love sending postcards in my mail, and I love receiving postcards in incoming mail. I know these are not very popular as snail mail goodies. I was recently reading up like a few profiles on Swapbot, and I saw people requesting not to be sent postcards. Of course, I mean, I wouldn't send postcards to somebody who doesn't want them, but I love receiving postcards. And in this case, what I did was I used them to write notes. In one postcard I wrote, and in the other case I added a post-it note, so she's able to either reuse or put it up somewhere where a personal note wouldn't work. And then I do go back later and trim the photo card a little bit to make it fit better. But yep, that's the envelope. It's really chunky. I love chunky envelopes. I pretty much keep stuffing them until I have sealed it for the final time. I hope Julia likes it. This is the cover, and I keep it simple because I like attaching stamps. And I'm just showing you a few close-up stills from the project. That is the end of this video, and I'm so grateful that you've joined. I've not been filming much. So much has gone on in the last year, but yep, I am back, and I hope you'll stay with me, and I will be back with more content. I already have a few videos in the pipeline that I've filmed and have to process. Until then, thank you and have a great time. Bye bye.